Samsung has been breaking down barriers in recent times by introducing its first whole smartphone on the screen, the first with built-in digital display and the first folding smartphone. Now, to follow in this direction, the company can make the Galaxy Note 10 its first mobile without any physical button. At least that's what some South Korean sites anticipate on Tuesday 26 March. One of them, ET News, states that the physical control method will be replaced by touch control with a touch-sensitive button technology created by Samsung itself. The report also guarantees that the company would market the novelty under the aegis of keyless or without button in the free translation. According to another website, The Investor, the product should start being mass-produced by the end of August or early September this year. The launch, as usual, would occur closer to the end of the year, in the last quarter of 2019. Among the advantages of a buttonless device is the possibility of creating a unique body design for the device without any fissure in most of it, and following the idea of bringing great innovations also to its intermediate models. News says the Samsung should include the keyless standard also in the Galaxy A. The next few months should bring more information behind the scenes and leaks about Samsung's next flagship, so keep an eye out here at our blog to know everything.